Gildan Media presents Your Coach in a Box, affordable, life-changing audio programs.
Gildan Audio presents an unabridged recording of The Jazz of Physics, the secret link between music and the structure of the universe, by Stephon Alexander, narrated by Don Hagen. Introduction. It occurred to me by intuition, and music was the driving force behind that intuition. My discovery was the result of musical perception. Albert Einstein, when asked about his theory of relativity. And I cherish more than anything else the analogies, my most trustworthy masters. They know all the secrets of nature, and they ought least to be neglected in geometry. Johannes Kepler. Humans are special. 11 billion years after the birth of the universe, conditions were just right for the seething, mineral-rich oceans of the planet we call Earth to spawn life, a mutating, evolving, hungry survivor. In just the last sliver of the life of the universe, we humans have grown both to cultivate Earth and unabashedly look to the skies to understand where we come from. The people of every culture have pondered their origins and the origins of the cosmos. What is this space around us? Where did we come from? It is no mistake that these questions that many of us asked as children, remain some of the most pressing in science. Questions like these point both to our innate curiosity about our origins, and as questions do, to the limits of our knowledge. For millennia, we could only answer these questions with myth, but since the scientific revolution, we have tried to put myth aside, leaving the exploration of human and universal origins to scientists and their hard-fact methodologies. Modern cosmologists, though armed with fancy equations and high-tech experiments, can be said to be the myth-makers of our time. Despite our precision mathematics and experiments, new surprises in modern physics and cosmology have emerged that compel some of the most able physicists to resort to myth-making to try and explain the mind-bending information they have uncovered about the nature of the universe. Heroic attempts have been made to relate the concepts that underlie modern cosmology to lay readers, but it is all too easy for books to fall short of the promise to explain. Putting into words subjects like general relativity and quantum.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?